Welcome to this lesson video. Today we'll be looking at unit conversion. Now we know that we have different types of physical quantities with their respective SI units. Sometimes the SI units must be specific for a certain physical quantity. For example, the standard SI unit of mass is kg. The standard SI unit for distance is meters. The standard SI unit for charge is coulombs, C. And then we also have the velocity, meters per second. We have the acceleration, meters per second squared. Now we have equations that we need to substitute magnitudes. Sometimes it's very important that the SI unit must be in a standard form. So today's lesson is how to convert from an SI unit to a desired SI unit. Now let us start. Before we continue with this lesson video, simply write this down. Centi times 10 to the power negative 2 milli times 10 to the power negative 3, kilo times 10 to the power 3, micro times 10 to the power negative 6, nano times 10 to the power negative 9. Simply write this common pre-SI units. Then I will show you how we use this. Now suppose we have 20 centimeter. We want to convert it to meters. How do we do that? Now it's simple. We simply write this 20. Now where we see C, which is centimeter, we substitute by this. We can see that centi is times 10 to the power negative 2. So we substitute by times 10 to the power negative 2. Once we substitute that C with times 10 to the power negative 2, we are left with what? Meter. Then you simply punch 20 times 10 to the power negative 2. It will give you a new figure which is 0.2 meters. You are done. Now you can see you converted from centimeter to meters. Let us look at another example. 300 centimeter to meters. Now we all know that centi, it's what? Times 10 to the power negative 2. We are left with meter. Actually, simply punch this. It will give you the answer. 300 times 10 to the power negative 2. Three meters. This is your final answer. Let us look at another one. 150 millimeters. We want to convert to meters. Now we know that millimeter is times 10 to the power negative 3. Then you are left with what? Meter. Simply punch this on your calculator. Your answer will be 0.15 meters. You are done. Let us look at another example. Millimeter. You can pause the video, try to work out this unit conversion, and then play the video. Simply punch this on a calculator. This is your final answer. Now let us look at a different unit conversion. 2 kilometers to meters. Now we know that kilo, it's times 10 to the power 3. We are left with meter. Simply punch this on your calculator. So what is 2 kilometers in meters? It's actually 2000 meters. Let us look at another one. Zero 0.35 kilometers. 0.35 times 10 to the power 3. This is your answer. Now let us look at another different unit conversion. 60 micro coulombs. Now we know that micro, it's times 10 to the power negative 6. Now simply punch this on your calculator. Coulombs. Negative 6. Punch this on your calculator. 350 times 10 to the power negative 6. Coulombs. Nanocoulombs. How do we convert this? We all know that nano, actually this color is not visible enough. Punch this on a calculator. 30 multiplied by 10 to the power negative 9. Coulombs. (120 times 10 to the power negative 9). Coulombs. Now before we end this lesson video, there is this unit conversion which normally challenge learners. Let's say we want to convert kilometers per hour to meters per second. How do we do this? It's simple. Check. Suppose we have 30 kilometers per hour. We want to convert 30 kilometers per hour to meters per second. Now we have 30 kilometer per hour is the same as this one. Now it's 30. What is our kilo from the table of conversions? It's times 10 to the power 3. We are left with what? Meter on top. Denominator an hour. Now we need to break down an hour. An hour we have 60 minutes. Now within 1 minute we have 60 seconds, so it's 60 multiplied by 60. So denominator we have 60 multiplied by 60, and then it's seconds. Now from here you simply punch this on your calculator. Let us punch 30 times 10 to the power 3, 60 multiplied by 60. So what is 30 kilometers per hour in meters per second? It's 8,33 meters. Actually it's like this. Now we all know that our SI unit must not be expressed like this. So we have 8,33 meter. When you take this second s to the numerator level, according to the laws of exponents mathematics, this power 1 will change to negative power 1. So this is 30 kilometers per hour in meters per second. Let us look at another one. 130 kilometers per hour. We have 130 kilometers per hour. We have 130 times 10 to the power 3 all over 60 times 60 seconds. Simply punch this on a calculator. So we have 36,11 meters per second. Now let us look at another one. Suppose we have kilometers per second. Now pause the video, try to work out the answer, then play the video. Verify your answer. So 145 times 10 to the power 3. We don't have to convert time. You can see time is already in seconds. So we simply punch this on a calculator. This is the final answer. Now this is the end of this lesson video. I hope it will be beneficial to you. This is Bahula SJ. Thank you very much.